Hi everybody, this is Janpha Thadphoothon. I'm showing you a, a set of codes and uh, AI libraries from a website, and uh, and this is the website. Okay, Styleformer, converting casual text to formal text and vice versa. This is the website. Winify.ai. Okay, you can have a look at that. At the moment, I'm showing you on my Colab, okay, and the transformation of text from casual style to formal one. So first of all, according to the instructions, you need to install the software here. After the it's a long one, is from GitHub, and then you import Styleformer from Styleformer. This is and then you import the library CTF Styleformer, and this is the casual to formal model, the AI model. Okay, so once you have done this, you install TechBob. So TechBob is a bigger, platform, and then from TechBob you import the library from TechBob, and then you put the text here, and you can see the text. Everybody, hey dude, what's up? We should hang out and watch the Olympics. Then maybe go to grab some food and some beer. Bloody cold here. This is, as you can see, the language style is very casual. Is informal, by the way. So you need to transform this by import the NLTK, okay, national language, you know, library platform, and download punk, punk, and then you transform that and get the result, okay. And this is the result, okay. Hello, what is going on? Uh, we should spend some time together and watch the Olympic Games. Maybe grab some food or beer. It's really cold here, and you can see the style is more formal. Okay, and you can try something else. Yeah, you can say bloody cold here. Better get some warm drink. You know, I don't wanna die in uh, North Pole. Just say something like that, like this. Okay? I'm not sure because this is my first time trying this text. Okay, and then we run this and then get the result. Okay, all right. And what the result will be, you know, we got the library. So you can see it's very casual. Ah, okay. Let's print the result. It is very cold in this area. A drink would be good because you do not want to die like this at the North Pole. I mean, the style, the language style has been transformed towards a more formal style. This is amazing. This is very good. It's a good platform. Okay, I'm Janpha Thadphoothon showing you the language style transformation from casual text to a formal one. Thank you very much.